When you've got production targets to meet, need to control costs and improve work throughput, Seiki Air Monitoring can help. Quickly identify the causes of productivity losses by automatically capturing cycle start, non-optimal running conditions and alarms in real time via digital signals from each machine. Gather more detailed machine activity data with status changes and downtime reasons entered by operators, who can also add comments, track performance and view and search audit trails. To increase responsiveness and data accuracy, notifications and user prompts alert people of alarm conditions or remind them to enter reasons for unknown stoppages. Dashboard, and-on and timeline views provide a fast visual indicator of the live status of every resource as it's updated on the shop floor. Interactive charts provide detailed analysis of the productivity of each resource. You can drill down to uncover previously hidden or unaccounted for stoppages such as machine-generated alarm codes. Gain fast insight with the out-of-the-box monitoring status grid, then start delving into specific reasons by adding your own statuses. Capture live data in shareable formats, which means no more out-of-date silos of information. Understand your performance down to the individual resource so you can take a proactive approach to maximising equipment availability and work throughput, your return on investment.